Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact Gmail address and using a familiar device and location. This increases successful verification. Once ready, open Google's account recovery flow and enter the email. Make sure to provide the last password you remember and any recovery phone or email when prompted. If you have backup codes or a recovery phone, have them at hand. They are the fastest way to prove ownership and move to the next verification step. Once you've started recovery, follow the verification prompts in order and be precise. You'll enter the most recent password you remember, then approve a prompt on a linked device if available. This is both quick and secure. If prompted for a recovery phone, receive the SMS or voice code and enter it exactly. When asked about recent account activity or security questions, provide accurate details. These contextual signals confirm ownership and unlock further access options. Once verified, you regain access by setting a strong new password and enabling two-step verification to prevent repeat lockouts. Then, review and update recovery phone and secondary email, generate fresh backup codes, and remove unfamiliar devices. If recovery fails or Google requests ID, submit the requested documents exactly as instructed and note any error codes for follow-up. Troubleshooting tip: if you're stuck, try recovery from a device and location you used previously. Consistency often resolves verification mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.